Fox has put in development Patty's Auto, a multi-camera ensemble comedy from writer The Big C creator Darlene Hunt, Elizabeth Banks and Max Handelmans, Brownstone Productions and Warner Brothers Television, where the company is based. Written by Hunt, Patty's Auto is inspired by Patrice Banks' Girls Auto Clinic, a Pennsylvania-based auto repair shop with all-female mechanics. It centers on Patty and the eclectic women who work for her.
Hunt, Banks and Handelman executive produce, with Banks serving as consulting producer. Fox, which is scaling back on content from 20th Century Fox TV as the two companies are heading for separation following Disney's acquisition of key Fox assets, has been actively buying from WBTV this season, with all projects earmarked as co-productions. Hunt recently served as co-executive producer on the highly rated Roseanne revival on ABC and also executive produced Amazon's Praised Good Girls Revolt.
She is repped by McCoo and Frankel Whitehead. Brownstone also has a catchy Carol drama, which has a put pilot commitment at ABC, Hoops, which has a script plus penalty commitment at NBC, and another drama set at NBC, Strong Justice, from Wendy Calhoun. The company is repped by Uta, Untitled and Zifrin Brittingham.
What do you think about it? Share your opinion in the comments below the video. And also subscribe to the channel not to miss new, interesting videos.